When driving at night, the auto high beam system can automatically turn on the high beams when its windshield-mounted camera detects no vehicles ahead, then return to the low beams when vehicles ahead are detected, a great convenience. When the headlight control is set to auto, the lever is in the low beam position and other conditions have been met, the auto high beam indicator will illuminate in the instrument panel to indicate that the system is active. To switch to manual operation, such as when you're driving on very winding or hilly roads or during poor visibility conditions, simply rotate the headlight control from auto to the on position. When you do this, the auto on-off feature is also turned off. Then you can engage high beams as needed by pushing the control stalk forward and return to low beams by pulling it back. Disabling or re-enabling the auto high beam feature is easy, and doing so, the auto on-off function for the headlights will not be affected. Put the vehicle in park, turn the power mode to on, and put the light switch lever in the auto position. Then pull the light switch lever toward you and hold it for at least 40 seconds. The auto high beam indicator light will blink twice and the feature will be disabled. To re-enable the auto high beam feature, repeat steps 1 through 3. Then pull the lever toward you for at least 30 seconds. The auto high beam indicator light will blink once and the feature will be re-enabled.